here we go. I got some degreaser on the frame just so we can get it cleaned up really good one last time. I got the pressure washer out. I also put some rust kills around all the body mounts. It's like the only place I found really much rust at all. So again, I just did some rust kill on that, on those 6 points, and then some degreaser on that, and then the SS front end is sitting right here. Degrease that. Got a couple of degreasers on a little bit of that. Some rust kill on the lower A arms. That's about all I'm using from the front suspension. Anyways, we're just gonna get to it. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back at it on the SS truck. Put the front axle in it, and we're working our way over to some very specialty products and installing the engine for the very first time. So we're just going to keep at it. I don't have my GoPro. I left it in my other new project that'll be coming soon. Stick around. This is going to be a fun one. Alrighty, we just got the front axle stuck back in the truck. Checked it out. Fluid's really nice in it. Doesn't have much play. I am going to redo the axle seals. I've got them ordered. I'm going to pick them up probably here later today. They're nice and easy. You just pry on the axle to get it out. Give it a little bump with the hammer. They pop out. Press in the new seals. You'll be good to go. We got the engine in for the first time. Now, I'm going to put that over here. Alright, we got the 4L80 in. Now we're going to take a little time, vacuum off some of the sawdust. I am going to pull all this paper out of here, vacuum this up. We're going to put the intake on it. These heads are coming off anyways to get rebuilt, so don't worry. Alright, as you can see here, we got our intake on, and we got our turbo manifold on. We're getting ready to make some boost and power with this thing, so stick around. Here we go. We're back on the SS today. And man, this rusty truck is really beating me down. I'm trying to get the torsion bars out from under it, but they're rusted in the torsion keys. I'm out here heating, beating on this thing. I've just had enough, so I broke out the Sawzall. I'm gonna cut the cross member, the one that holds the keys in, out. I'm gonna get it out here where I can actually swing on this thing. I'm tired of dealing with it. We're gonna cut it out with the Sawzall and get to business. Alright, after putting the torsion bar in a press, I finally got the keys off, but I had to stick it on my burn barrel to have enough height. But when you gotta do it, you gotta do it. I improvised and made it work, so. Here we go. I promised you guys a race truck, and here's the beginning of it. 7675 turbo. We have a forged short block. We are going to get the heads redone, not 100% on the heads. We have a Holley, Sniper, EFI. We just got all the suspension redone. We have brand new Beltec spindles, ball joints. The only thing I used were the axles, which had just recently been replaced, and the lower A-arm. Everything else is pretty much new. We did use the front diff, 410 diff, I believe. Got new ABS sensors. We got a new hub. The turbo's on. The motor's in the chassis, and
truck is rolling again. At any point in your project, when it can actually roll on the wheels again, that's a pretty big achievement. So this thing's rolling again, and we're gonna get ready to move it outside, finish up some of the back half. So coming up here pretty soon, we're gonna do our crossover tube. We're gonna put our core support back on, and we're gonna start getting the cool side plumbed in. We're gonna have to get all of our custom tubing made to our intercooler. We're gonna go from there. Hope you guys really like the update. Keep watching. This one's gonna move pretty fast still, but next week we are gonna have an update on the 34 and some of the parts I've been saving and finding through the summer. So enjoy, get out there and work on those projects.